adjust leverage is one of the best features in Binance futures. So why it is important? See, basically when you trade future, you have to understand risk and reward. So in order to understand risk and reward, you need to know the leverage. In basically perpetual trading is about leverage. With the $10-20 you can trade 100 contracts of a coin. So you need to be very careful in understanding the leverage. This adjust leverage feature would be very much helpful for you to understand the leverage function. For example, if you are very conscious about your exposure, you can reduce your leverage to 20, or you can reduce your leverage even to 10. So if you doesn't have that much money and you just want to take huge risk, you can adjust your leverage. But only thing is, Binance have a feature that will say your exposure is very high, your leverage is very high, you have to be very careful about your risk. So that is the beauty about this. See, if you are a future trader, you should be well aware of leverage, because leverage makes or breaks your trading. See, leverage, taking high leverage might be profitable, but what happens if there is some pullback, then you would suffer a drawdown. And recently, if you look into the Bitcoin's sell-off, you might have heard that some 30 billion, 40 billion leveraged contracts have been sold off in minutes. So that is the reason why one should understand about leverage, and this is why I believe leverage function is very important in Binance futures. So I would say it is better if you go to Binance Academy and learn more about this leverage. Binance has a fantastic resources to learn, and I think I would have triggered you about understanding the risk and reward and leverage. See, for every dollar risk, you should understand what is the reward. For example, if you are deploying $1, that $1 is your risk, and you should have a reward of at least 1:2 or 1:3. In a sense, if it is 1:2, you should get your trades 50% right. So this is where the leverage would come. So if you are taking right leverage, you can afford to have some mistakes, but still you would be profitable. But if you have huge leverage, you have to get every trade right. Any pullback on any side against you would be a problem.